Good morning, everyone. This is State Climatologist Gary McManus with your Mesonet Weather Report. Just want to do a quick check-in from a very frozen but sunny Norman, Oklahoma. Taking a look at these snowfall totals that we received throughout the weekend. You can see from the maps from the National Weather Service offices that cover Oklahoma that we had a good 4 to 8 to even as many as 14 inches across the state. That's mostly snow. Now down in southeastern Oklahoma and south central Oklahoma, we did have a lot of sleet. Sayre led the state with 14 inches of snow, which is an incredible total. Now, when we look at the Fort Towson area, it had 6 inches of sleet, and Poto had 5 inches of sleet. So I know it's very annoying to have this really cold air. We did have record cold temperatures throughout the weekend, even into early this week, but it does mean moisture for the state. When you melt down 6 inches of sleet, that's really good moisture. Also, 14 inches of snow is not too shabby either. So it is the best moisture we've seen in the state really since about mid-November for those portions of northwestern, southwestern, over into southeastern Oklahoma. Now, when we take a look at the Mesonet rainfall map, we're still waiting for it to all melt, so it's a little bit preliminary. But where you see those greens, that's at least an inch of rainfall, melted down snow or sleet, obviously. We do have as many as up to 3 inches down in southeast Oklahoma where they got all that sleet. When we go up into the north central area, we also had about an inch in some areas. When we get to those blues, it's a lot of ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch liquid equivalent rainfall from that melted snow and sleet and freezing rain. So again, it's just really good moisture, the first really good moisture we've seen in almost 2 months in some cases, and in other cases it lasts even 3 to 4 months. So we do love this moisture. It is setting on the ground, melting in quite nicely. Don't get a lot of the sublimation or evaporation straight to the cold air. So as we melt that in, it should alleviate some of those soil moisture deficits as well. As we look forward, even if we don't get reinforcing rainfall or snowfall, we at least interrupted the drought in its severity just a little bit here late January. Now we look forward to February, hopefully some more moisture and more drought relief in store for the state. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.